Ever wondered how your emails reach their destination, or why your website is easily found online? A crucial part of this is reverse DNS. Setting it up correctly in Ubuntu ensures your server is recognized properly by other servers on the internet. In this video, we'll walk through the essentials of configuring reverse DNS for your Ubuntu server. First, you need to access your Ubuntu server's command line interface. This might be through a terminal application on your computer or by connecting via SSH using a program like PuTTY or Terminal. Log in with your administrative credentials. Once logged in, you will need to access your DNS control panel. This is usually accessible through the website where you purchased your domain name or your hosting service provider. Your DNS records are managed there. Within your DNS control panel, locate the section for managing DNS records for your domain. Look for an area specifically for reverse DNS or PTR records. They might also be with your zone file records. Next, you'll need to create a PTR record. This is where you'll map your server's IP address to your domain name. This is where you will add information to the PTR records. Provide your IP address and the fully qualified domain name FQDN to this record. Set a time to live or TTL value. The TTL determines how long other servers should cache this information. Lower values cause faster updates. Most providers allow you to keep the default. The last step is to save the DNS record you have created. After that, you'll need to allow time for the changes to propagate across the internet. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours. After the propagation period, you can test your reverse DNS setup using online tools or command line utilities like date or ns. Look up a successful setup is key for server reputation and optimal traffic. That's the basics of reverse DNS configuration on your Ubuntu system.